Hello friends, my name is Srudhin VS. You are watching me on Techmerize YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to compare iPhone 11 with OnePlus 7T. I know they are not in the same price range in India, but in international market, they are very closely priced. And moreover, iPhone 11 is the cheapest iPhone available and OnePlus 7T is the budget flagship people are going for. That makes it right to compare these phones. So without any delay, let's get started. The first thing we will compare is the most frequently used part of the phone, the screen itself. Here, OnePlus have a huge lead over iPhone. I would say it have a better display than a lot of flagships out there. They have a 90Hz Super AMOLED display. It is a 6.55-inch Full HD display with 402 ppi, and the screen gets very bright, up to 1000 nits. So no problem of outdoor viewing. Whereas in iPhone 11, you get a 6.1-inch HD Plus Retina LCD display with 326 ppi with the brightness up to 625 nits. Not only that, the notch on iPhone is at least 2 years outdated. Even though the Face ID in iPhone is superior to Face Unlock in OnePlus phones, it is too much of a trade-off. So the point goes to OnePlus here. On the internal side, both are powered by their respective flagship processors. OnePlus have Snapdragon 855 Plus and iPhone 11 have a 13 Bionic chip. Both are really powerful processors. In terms of benchmarks, A13 is leading, but in day-to-day usage, both the processors will breeze through any task you can throw at it. Unless you are doing something extreme like video rendering or something similar, you won't feel much difference between these processors. OnePlus comes with 8GB of RAM and there is two storage variants with 128GB and 256GB for internal storage. In iPhone 11, the RAM is of 4GB and we have three storage variants with 64GB, 128GB and 256GB. These details are relevant when we discuss the software used in each of these phones. OnePlus comes with Oxygen OS based on Android 10. This is the first phone to ship with Android 10. And in iPhone, we have iOS 13.1. I don't have to mention that iOS as an operating system is the best you can ask for. Very stable and you will get updates for at least 5 years. Whereas in OnePlus, what you have is the best flavor of Android out there. I myself feel it is better than the classic stock Android. So it's all your personal preference whether to go for Android or iOS. The next is the camera. iPhone have a dual rear camera and OnePlus have a triple rear camera. iPhone have a 12 megapixel primary and 12 megapixel wide angle, and also we have a 12 megapixel front facing shooter. In OnePlus we have 48 megapixel primary and 16 megapixel wide angle and an extra 12 megapixel telephoto lens. We have a 16 megapixel front shooter in OnePlus. I don't know how often it's going to make a difference for you to have an extra lens in your phone. Most people may use it for 1 out of 20, 30 or maybe 50 snaps they take. So it's not a very huge thing to make an entire camera comparison in favor of OnePlus. But if I consider the overall photo quality and video quality, the point should go to iPhone. Now talk about the battery on both of these phones. OnePlus have a 3800 mAh battery and iPhone have 3110 mAh battery. Both will give enough juice to run you through 1.5 day on moderate usage. But the difference comes in charging. OnePlus have Rapid Charge 30T, which will give the phone up to 70% charge in 30 minutes. That is huge. Whereas in iPhone 11, it still ships with 5-watt charger. That is totally disappointing. Even though it supports 18-watt charger, you'll get only 18-watt charger in iPhone 11 Pro variant. In iPhone 11, you'll get only 5-watt charger. So charging point goes to OnePlus here. The final point we are going to discuss is about the price. OnePlus 7T for the base variant, it is 37,999 rupees, whereas in iPhone 11 it is in different league itself, 64,900 rupees. In the international market, it is priced very close. OnePlus is coming for rupees $599 and in iPhone it is $699 for the base variants. iPhone have always been priced higher in India. No doubt iPhone 11 is going to sell like a hot chocolate, but if we compare both OnePlus and iPhone 11, OnePlus offers more value for money in India. But if you want to get into iPhone ecosystem or you want to try the iPhone, this is a really good iPhone. Finally, it's all on personal preference. So that's it friends, thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on that bell icon so you will get notified about the latest videos whenever I upload. Goodbye, see you on the next video.